If your Kia Sportage simply refuses to start, follow this 11-point diagnostic playbook to identify the culprit before calling a tow truck. Statistics show that 80% of no-start issues are related to simple electrical failures rather than complex mechanical engine problems. Let us break down the diagnostic process into manageable steps. Always start with the basics by checking for loose battery terminals and ensuring your key fob battery has enough charge to signal the ignition. Beyond the battery, check your ground straps for rust or a faulty brake light switch, which prevents the car from recognizing the pedal press. If you hear a clicking sound, your starter motor might be failing, or a simple blown fuse could be cutting power to the ignition system. You can resolve many electrical issues at home, but internal engine sensors or fuel pump failures require professional equipment and expertise. This chart illustrates the average cost difference between simple battery replacements and more involved mechanical repairs. If the basics fail, use an OBD-I scanner to read stored codes or a multimeter to verify that power is actually reaching the starter motor. Keep a basic socket set, an OBD-I scanner, and a multimeter in your garage to handle these common diagnostic tasks yourself. Remember that safety is your top priority, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before performing any electrical work to prevent accidental shorts. If you found this guide helpful for your Kia Sportage, subscribe for more automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting playbooks.